Hey team, I want to share something with you that I discovered yesterday. It's not project management related, it's Excel based, but it could save you a lot of time, especially if you're working with lots of data. Have a look at this. Sometimes you're working with data and you need to extract a certain part of it out. In this case, we're looking at the names and the initials of people in email lists. This will work for other things as well though. Let me get to that in a second. So what we do here is we have the list of the cast of Police Academy all listed here in the emails. And at the top here we've got Steve Guttenberg and his initials SG have been extracted. Now, do we have to manually go through all of these and pull them out? No, of course not. There are formulas that you're probably aware of where you'll look for the first word that appears before the full stop there, and maybe another one that'll look for the word after it. And there's all sorts of formulas like that, and you're using trimming formulas. And how about this? We just click in the cell underneath the one that's been completed already, and we press Control E. And we do it again for the initials, Control E. And you'll see that even though we've got different email addresses and we've got a Police Academy 2 star here as well, all of the names have been extracted, all of the initials have been extracted. Seriously, it's sorcery. You can put lists of dates in there, it'll pull the year out for you. It's a huge time saver. Control and E, who would have thought? Most of the time I'm on here doing project management videos, but occasionally you'll get an Excel tip or a productivity tip. If that's your kind of thing, hit the subscribe button and I'll catch you next time.